Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App same day deposit tutorial. Start by opening Cash App and logging in. On the home screen, tap Cash Out to withdraw money from your Cash App balance to your linked bank account or debit card. You will see two options, standard and instant deposits. Standard deposits are free but usually take 1 to 3 business days to arrive. To get your money the same day, select instant deposit. Keep in mind, instant deposits come with a small fee, usually around 0.5% to 1.75% of the amount you're transferring. This app will show the exact fee before you confirm. After selecting instant deposit, enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm with your PIN or biometric login. Your funds should arrive in your bank or debit card account within minutes. Make sure your debit card is linked and verified in Cash App to use instant deposits. If it's not linked, go to your profile, tap linked banks and add to your debit card details. That's how it is to get same day deposits on Cash App. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching.